Hi, I am Vinay. On display is our latest Mint series of Rotary Tables. You can see the Mint URX series and the Mint URXH series. In the Mint URX series, we have designed a new brake technology where you get a higher clamping torque, both in terms of pneumatic as well as hydraulic. The URH series, which is going to be obsolete, will be replaced by URX series. Here you get 80% higher clamping torque as compared to the URH series. Whereas in the URX series or URXH series, we have a very high clamping torque that is 300% higher than the existing URH series. Also, what we have a specialty is the new LED, which gives some feedback from the rotary table. It gives whether the table is in clamped condition or unclamped condition. Also, the other parameter it gives the feedback is the oil change indicator. We have put a small timer which gives a feedback at what time we need to change the oil. Thank you.